Hello students, so we are discussing an important concept. This was supposed to be in matrices, but this is given in determinant chapter, and this question was there in board exams this year only in 2020 as a 6 marks question. It says that a matrix is given to us, right? A square matrix is given to us, and he has given us some combination, some equation of matrices. Sometimes you can write in terms of function also, right? We have to verify this, and after verifying this we have to find the inverse of the matrix. So this is the third method of finding inverse of a matrix. First one was elementary transformation, second one was A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, and the third one is when an expression is given which is to be proved equal to 0. हमेशा राइट साइड पे 0 ही प्रूव करना होगा, ठीक है. I stands for identity matrix. किस ऑर्डर की होगी? जैसे ये मैट्रिक्स 3/3 है तो इट विल बी आइडेंटिटी ऑफ 3/3, राइट. अगर ये 2/2 मैट्रिक्स होगी तो दिस विल बी आइडेंटिटी ऑफ ऑर्डर 2. Nice. So first of all we have to find this solution. So let's talk about this part first. What I need first is a square. This is a into a. So this is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and 2, and multiplied by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and then it will be 1 minus 1 and 2. And how do you get this? Is by multiplication. All of you know how to multiply matrices: first row, first column, first element, first row, second column, second entry. Once you solve it, your a square is equal to 6 minus 5, 5, and then the next row is minus 5, 6, 5, and then the third row is 5 minus 5 and 6, right. Let's check it out. If I check it for this, this is 4 plus 1 plus 1, 6, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5, this is 1, this is 4, and this is 1, 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2, this is minus 5. Okay, and then the next one is 2, 1, 3 and 2, 5, minus 1 minus 2 and minus 2 minus 5, 1, 1 and 4 is 6. Fine. Now you have to find a cube. So a cube is what? A square into a. So what is a square? 6 minus 5, 5, minus 5, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 5, 6 into a. So what is a? 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2. इसमें बच्चे मिस्टेक्स क्या करते हैं? उनको लगता है ए स्क्वायर निकालना है तो सब एंट्रीज का स्क्वायर ले लो, ए क्यूब निकालना है तो सबका क्यूब ले लो. ये नहीं करना है, बेसिक मल्टीप्लिकेशन पे ही रहना है. And here a cube is equal to, again, product of multiplication, that is 22 minus 21, this is 22, next is this is 21, this is minus 21, the next is 22 minus 21, and the next one is 21 minus 21, and the last one is 22. Okay, so you have got a cube, you have got a square. Now what you do is you evaluate this expression of on the left hand side, that is, now we consider a cube minus 6a square plus 9a plus 4i. Okay, so this will be a cube 22 minus 21, 21, then it will be minus 21, 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22. Okay, and then it will be minus 6 times a square. Minus 6 times a square is this: 6 minus 5, 5, minus 5, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 5, 6, right. And then after this we have to substitute the value of 9a. 9 into a is what? 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2, plus 4 times identity, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now what will happen is when you solve it, this is 22 minus 36. कितना हो गया हमारे पास, -14 + 18 + 4, राइट. So this is what 22 - 30 is -14 plus this is 18 + 4, and I think it should be minus in the question. Yes, it is -4I. So -4 will make it what, a 0. -21 + 30, this is 9 - 9, 0. So once you solve it, all the entries will be 0 0 0. बेसिक एडिशन का रूल जो अलजेब्रिक, पहले स्केलर अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, then you take the sum of corresponding entries which is equal to 0 matrix. This is the part we have already done in class, in chapter 3. Right, now how to find A inverse, that is the important part here in this question. How that is to be found is very, very important. Let's come to that part. So finding A inverse. For A inverse, I'll write the algorithm first. What you do is always keep identity matrix term on LHS, rest everything to RHS. Right, so that is what I do here is मैं आइडेंटिटी को राइट साइड ले जाता हूँ, मतलब वही रहा उसका, है ना. And this will be 4I is equal to A cube minus 6A square plus 9A. Now you multiply both sides by A inverse. मैट्रिसेस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन दो टाइप की होती है, इधर इट इज प्री और पोस्ट. आप कोई भी करोगे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एक जगह इसके इन्वर्स से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और एक जगह आइडेंटिटी से होगा, तो दोनों केसेस में वो कॉम्यूटेटिव होता है. So this will be 4I into A inverse. This is A cube into A inverse minus 6A square into A inverse plus 9A into A inverse. Identity into the matrix is the matrix itself. ठीक है, ये से होएगी तो एक कम हो जाएगी पावर, ये से जाएगी तो it will be 1 less. Matrix into its inverse will give you identity. तो 4 times A inverse will be A square minus 6A plus 9I. तो क्या करोगे, वैल्यू पुट कर दोगे. What was the value of A square? A square was 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5, and what was the next value? 5 minus 5 6 minus 6 into what was the value of A? A was 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 plus 9 times what is identity? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, right? So this is identity. Now you solve it. This, what do you get? 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 9 plus 3. Then this is minus 5 and plus 6 is plus 1. And then you talk about is 5 minus 6 minus 1. Right, this is minus 5 and plus 6 is plus 1 and this 1. This is 6 minus 12 is minus 6 plus 9 3. Then this is minus 5 plus 1 6. Then this is 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Then minus 5 plus 6 is what? 1. And then 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 9 is plus 3. So what was there on the left hand side? 4A. So this, 4A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 1 minus 3 1 3 6 minus 1 1 3. I'll again repeat it. इसमें आप अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन को सबसे पहले वेरीफाई करोगे. ठीक है, अगर आपका ए स्क्वायर गलत हो गया उसके बाद सब कुछ गलत निकलेगा. So कैलकुलेशन में यू नीड टू बी वेरी कॉशियस. Once it is verified equal to 0, इसका प्लस पॉइंट ये पता चल जाता है क्वेश्चन में कहीं गलती तो नहीं हो गई. राइट, फिर ए इनवर्स निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे आप, जो आइडेंटिटी वाली टर्म है उसको एक साइड ले जाओगे. अगर वो प्लस की है तो उसको लेफ्ट साइड रखो, माइनस की तो राइट साइड ले जाओ. ये आ गया. उसके बाद ए इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे बोथ साइड. लेफ्ट साइड पे आई इंटू ए इनवर्स विल मेक इट ए इनवर्स. ठीक है, और राइट साइड में सब जगह ए की पावर एक कम हो जाएगी। यहाँ पे एक ही ए बचा था, ए इंटू ए इनवर्स, वहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी लिखना ना भूलें आप लोग, ठीक है बेटा। फिर वहाँ पे वैल्यूज डाल दो ए स्क्वायर की, ए की और आइडेंटिटी की। यू टेक द कॉम्बिनेशन प्लस माइनस करके जो भी उसका आंसर निकलता है, वॉट एवर इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लास्ट स्टेप में उसको राइट साइड पे ले जाओ, 1/, हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था इधर आके डिवाइड कर देगा, ये ए इनवर्स निकल गया और ये आपका 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन इज डन। नाउ यू कैन फिनिश ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 4.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 to 16. Thank you so much.